Welcome back to Madding Creation, where we help you elevate your UX design skills. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of user experience, user journey mapping. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create user journey maps that enhance your UX projects and boost user satisfaction. So, what is user journey mapping and why is it so important? Simply put, user journey mapping is a visual representation of the user's experience as they interact with your product or service. It helps you understand the user's needs, emotions, and pain points at each stage of their journey. Let's start with the basics. The first step in creating a user journey map is research. You need to gather as much information as possible about your users. This can include interviews, surveys, and usability testing. The goal here is to understand who your users are and what they want to achieve. Once you've gathered your data, it's time to define the user personas. These are fictional characters that represent your different user types. Personas help you empathize with your users and keep their needs at the forefront of your design process. Now let's move on to mapping out the journey. Start by identifying the stages of the user journey. These stages could be things like awareness, consideration, purchase, and post-purchase. Each stage should represent a key part of the user's interaction with your product. For each stage, list out the user's goals, actions, thoughts, and emotions. This will help you pinpoint any pain points or opportunities for improvement. Remember, the more detailed your map, the better you'll understand the user's experience. Next, use your journey map to identify pain points and brainstorm solutions. This is where the real magic happens. By addressing these pain points, you can significantly improve the user's experience and increase their satisfaction with your product. Finally, don't forget to share your journey map with your team and stakeholders. User journey mapping is a collaborative process, and getting input from others can lead to even better insights and solutions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating user journey mapping in UX. Remember, the key to a successful user journey map is thorough research, detailed personas, and a collaborative approach. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more UX tips and tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your questions or experiences with user journey mapping. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.